What do we have here? One of the world's most talked about RC crawlers, the Traxxas TRX-4. This is a new variation, the High Trail Edition. That, my friends, is a licensed Chevrolet Cheyenne K10, and man, look at all the chrome on this thing. What a great looking body. But more importantly, there are no body clips. Pull the little tabs underneath the fenders here and you can pull up the body. Let me know what you think about the K10 body in the comment section below. Now at first glance, it looks like a TRX-4, doesn't it? Let's get right into the big changes. This truck is lifted from the factory. We've got longer shocks on here. We've got longer links. And if you flip it over, you can see down below, we have an extension plate here on the skid, which helps relocate the geometry so this truck still works awesome in off-road conditions. And of course, it's got a ton of suspension articulation too. It also comes with 2.2 wheels and tires. So what does this all mean? Well, with the High Trail Edition, that means you've got ultimate clearance. You've got the portal axles, you've got the taller tires, you've got the lift kit on there. You've got awesome clearance in the front, awesome clearance in the rear. This setup is truly ready to go tackle some trails. Look at this thing just mobbing through all these rocks. I took the Defender here and it couldn't go through this smooth. You need to see this rip up the hill. Tree spin. Yeah. I was really impressed with what this thing could do. I went trailing. I went over just rocks and roots and up dirt hills and stuff. And this thing is a monster. The articulation is intense. I absolutely love the shifting transmission in high gear, which is faster than a walking pace. But then when I really needed it to crawl, just flipped it in low and I was good to go. I like the locking differentials as well, being able to pull tight corners when the diffs are open and then lock them up to rip up some hills. It was so cool. And then through the water, this thing is an animal. It just came out the other side ripping. It was so cool to watch. You know, my only wish for this kit is I hope they come out with more bodies on the High Trail Edition chassis.